Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button for me if you get anything out of this. And, share with your friends. Help out the channel. It's much appreciated. Hope you all had a good weekend. I definitely had a good weekend. End of the week last week. Pretty crappy, actually. Had a bad trading day. So I want to start off today in this stream talking about my trading day last week on Friday. Terrible day. Wasn't because I lost money. It was because I lost money by way of not following my rules. I went outside of my strategy. I went outside of my rules. The last 3 trades were revenge trading, and that is like the biggest no-no in trading, right? I recognize that. So for me, I had a terrible day trading because I stepped out of line, and I know better. So I want to be completely honest and open with everybody that's watching my channel. I was down just over $1,900. My daily loss limit for me is 2,000. It's 2% of my challenge account. But if I had followed my strategy with extreme discipline, followed my rules, I would not have lost anything that day, and I would have ended the week break even. So let this be a lesson for me, again, a lesson for anybody else who's watching. Follow your strategy and stick to your rules with the utmost discipline, and you will eventually become successful in this game. All right, I just want to start off by saying that. My goal here is to be completely honest and open with everybody in this field. Yeah, I've been watching people trade on YouTube and stuff for the past 3 years, and there's a lot of crap out there, and it's hard to sift through what's honest and what's not, and who's actually trading and who's not. It's easy to put up those target and stop loss, red green things here. I could do that all day too, and let it play out. It doesn't mean you're actually taking trades. So here, I show you live, come live, I come on here live every morning, and I show you exactly what I'm doing, what I'm learning, my mistakes, because I'm not a profitable trader yet. I'm not funded or anything like that. I'm in a challenge right now, hoping to become funded. Not hoping, I will become funded, and I will become a full-time profitable trader by the end of this year. With that being said, it's important for anybody watching this to understand that I am not currently a profitable trader. I'm working my way there. And my goal is to show anyone and everyone who's interested in seeing the real life story of becoming a full-time trader. It's not easy, but it all depends on you. That's the thing. And I think a lot of people miss that, what's the best indicator, or what's the best strategy, and this and that. And the truth is there's a lot of strategies that work. There are a lot of indicators that work, but you can have the best strategy out there that yields 100% win rate and still blow an account if you were not mentally prepared to become a trader. And that's one of the biggest things that I want to show and hit on my channel, because it's the most important part of trading is up here. It's you versus you, nothing else. So anyway, with that Monday morning rant, let's do it. So last week I took an L for the week. This week we're going to be profitable. I'm going to move my goal is to finish this phase 1 of my challenge that I'm in currently, which you are actually watching me trade in my challenge. This is not a, fake account or whatever. My goal is to finish phase 1, which is 10%, by the end of next week. So let's see if we could do it. Let's do it. So, we did a nice move up overnight, especially this morning. Let's see, 4 o'clock. From this point on, we had a nice move up here. We trended up all day on Friday as well. Is this microphone too loud? No, it's okay. Right now, with my strategy, I'm getting a sell signal here. I should just follow my strategy is what, So my stop loss would go above the high. So far, we're about 5 minutes away from open. And I think I'm going to follow my strategy, and we're going to take this. See if we get any more of a pullback here. Yeah, we do. And that's okay. That gives me a little bit of a better buy-in. Actually, I should be waiting for it to come up to this resistance here. We'll see how this candle reacts to this. Now, my strategy, obviously, like any other strategy, is not 100% win rate. There isn't one that's 100% win rate. I don't really care what anybody says. There's no such thing. But it works well. So we get a little bump there. I'm going to take this and see what happens. One of the things I talked about last week is reprogramming my mind to not expect so much volatility in the NASDAQ during open. Over the past year, 2 years, there's been extreme volatility, especially at market open. And that's what I kind of learned. And now that things are finally kind of trying to settle a little bit, I believe, we haven't been getting the extreme amount of movement that we have in the past 2 years. And that was just circumstantial with everything that was going on, inflation and, elections and all that stuff. So now that all that's kind of over, the market, I believe, has a pretty good idea of where it's going in 2025. So I need to reprogram my mind a little bit to not expect so much volatility in the morning and get into my trades when the opportunity presents itself, regardless of whether it's going to work or not. That's beyond me. It's beyond anybody. But if I just follow my rules and follow my strategy, then I can accept a loss at that point, right? But it was keeping me from getting into trades at the appropriate time because we were so close to market open. And then the volatility, I was thinking like, oh, there's going to be too much volatility. It's going to hit my stop loss and then end up going the way I wanted it to, because that's what it was doing in the past. But so one of the things I'm working on this year is getting over that and just taking the trade as it presents itself on the screen, regardless of where it's going to go. If it doesn't work, then I can be okay with taking the loss if I followed my strategy and my rules to the T. I'm okay with that. Again, there's no such thing as a 100% win rate for any strategy. So if you follow your strategy, there will be times where you're going to take a loss. That's that. So I'm in because my strategy gave me a sell signal. If we break high of the day here, it is what it is. I'll take the loss, knowing that I took the right trade, and I wait for the next opportunity. It's that simple. It doesn't have to be hard. This doesn't have to be hard. Pick a strategy, pick something to trade, stick with it, have extreme discipline with it, and build on that. And you'll get better and better. So, cool. So, we have 20 seconds until market open. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Market is live. New York session. So what I'd be looking for is for the market to come back down to this trading zone here. You can see where this volume is. I got even more volume down here. So we might get some support in this general area here. If we move through this, if we move down in the first place, right? It doesn't have to happen. If we move through this, then my next target would be down here into this trading area here. Now, oh, I almost got taken out. So close. So close. Still looking pretty strong here. This might end up going against me. Yep. Okay. So if this candle closes, then it's going to be a buy for me. And we're going to go long here. If this candle closes above the super trend, has to close above the super trend. Or we could just be taking stop losses out up there. So one of the ways that I messed up last week, actually it was the first trade that messed me up, which then set me on a downhill roller coaster, um, was I did not wait for a candle to close as it was breaking through the super trend here. And I took a trade before it closed, and it ended up retracing and giving a very bullish. I was going short. It ended up closing as a very bullish reversal candle, and the market just continued up after that. But I was convinced that we were going to get a reversal, and I just kept going short, kept getting taken out, um, totally against my strategy. So we will not be doing that anymore. So if this candle closes above the super trend here and above the high of the day, honestly, which is right at the super trend. So yeah, if we close here, I'm going to take a long position. That's my strategy. We need to close above the moving average and above the super trend uh, for long positions, and then below both for short positions. And the market wants to go high, so I'm gonna take a position here because we're looking strong. So let's do it. So first trade of the week, down. That's okay. I followed my strategy, followed my rules. Just didn't work out. Let's see what the next trade gives me. Discipline and consistency, the name of the game. If anybody's watching this later on, because there's nobody on here right now, I don't think. I'm in the market for a new chair. Drop your suggestions in the comments for me, if you don't mind. I would appreciate it. All right, let's see how the market goes today. Let's actually check out. We got a bunch of news coming out this week. I know that. Let's go ahead and open Trading View and see what our news is this week. Da, 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 da. Let's bring you over here. Okay, so here's the calendar. Today we have, oh, in just a couple minutes actually, we have S&P Global Composite PMI final. Me. And then nothing really else. Tomorrow, though, we have ISM services, okay, and JOLTS. Those are two big things for the market. All right. ISM services PMI is at 10 o'clock Eastern, and JOLTS, same thing, 10 o'clock Eastern. So tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern, be careful. Wednesday, we have ADP employment. We have some mortgage stuff. We have jobs, initial jobs claims on Wednesday. And then we have the FOMC minutes comes out on Wednesday. Thursday, what do we got here? Some Fed speech, nothing really else. A bunch of Fed talk Thursday. And Friday, we have unemployment. We have non-farm payrolls, and we have unemployment on Friday. Okay, so pretty decent week as far as data. Let's see what's going on as far as news goes. Lucid beats estimates for EV deliveries as price cuts. Nice. Sunoco has an interim CFO. What else we got? Oh, we got earnings. That's right. We're back in earnings season. Woohoo! Okay, what's going on in the world? Fed Governor Cook says FOMC can be cautious with further rate cuts. I already knew that. They're going to be pausing until something breaks, and then it'll be, oh, slash, and back to zero. You know. What else? MicroStrategy puts additional $101 million into Bitcoin. Hey. Okay, where's Bitcoin at? Oh, Bitcoin is above 99,000 again. At a resistance level right now. Cool. What else? Yeah. Okay. Not much else going on. Let's see. Oh, nice positive day. Look at that. Micron is up 10%. AMD's up almost 3.5%. Nvidia's up 3.5%. ARM is up 4.2. Qualcomm's up. Apple's up. Tesla's up 2.3%. Google's up. Pretty green day here. That's good. That is good. Cool. All right. Mm-hmm. do some shopping while I'm waiting for my trade to play out here. So we're in the green so far. See how high we want to go today. It's looking pretty strong. I like it. Let's see, desk, cable. Here we go. This is what I need for my desk. Yeah, 8-pack for $6. I like it. $2K reviews. Hmm. 72,000 reviews. Let's keep pushing. Just keep swimming. Nice, nice. A whole bunch of different sizes I probably don't need though. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah. I like that one a lot, actually. Let me go ahead and add that to the cart. Who else just adds things to your... Oh, that's not good. Your Amazon cart and lets it sit there until it builds up and you're like, oh yeah, it's time to buy. I do that. There's a nice little gap there, actually. That's nice. I like that. This little gap here. You guys, oh, yeah, you guys can see that. I like that. Good strong push right out the gate there. Let's go. Let's take that wick. Let's move. Nice, nice. If we take this wick here, I think I'm going to move my stop loss up. Boom. I like it. I like it a lot. Beautiful. Lovely. Let's keep the momentum. Keep the momentum. Go to cart. I'm going to save this one for later. All right. Cool beaners. If I don't do things while I'm thinking about it, I forget. So my strategy tells me to move my stop loss up with the super trend. So I could move it up a little bit, reduce, in case we do get a big shift here. Move it up to about that level there. Go ahead and confirm that. It's not much, but, takes a little bit off. I'm just trying to be extremely disciplined with my strategy. With this strategy, I don't typically set a take profit. I just move my stop loss up with my super trend. So you can see here, if I had gotten in here, I would, every time we level off, I move the stop loss up, 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 up here, and it would have taken me out here, which would have been a really nice gain. So that's my strategy with these two indicators. So I'm trying to really follow and be patient and let the market play out. I do have to be careful though. In this challenge, they do have a consistency rule during the challenge. The consistency rule goes away once you pass the challenge, but it's a 45% consistency rule. So I can't make more than $4,500 in a day. So I do have to just be careful with that. Thanks, love.
You're welcome.
The wife just brought me breakfast. Cheers. And a note. Isn't that nice? Yeah. It's really, really awesome to have a significant other that supports you 100%. 100% support. Because this is a tough thing to go to journey through. But she's got my back. So super lucky and super thankful for that. All right. We took all that wick. That's nice. We closed strong. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Move the stop loss up a scooch more. Right about there, I think. I'm just going to mute this while I eat so I'm not eating in your all ears. Still looking good here. Still showing progress. And that's good. That's all I need to see. A little bit of progress. And we'll stick in it. All right. Delicious. Thank you, babe, for that delicious breakfast. Appreciate you. 6 pasture raised eggs and a couple of sausages. Good protein intake. Clear mind. No alcohol. No drugs. No nothing. Healthy eating. Take care of your body. Trading is a journey within yourself. It's crazy. I know for those of you that maybe just be starting out, you might be thinking like, oh, this guy's just some weird, self, self betterment or whatever kind of guy. I mean, I am now because I realize that that's what is going to get me to the other side in what I want to do for the rest of my life. So yeah, and I'm not the only one that talks about it. Go listen to any successful well, anybody successful in general, business, but especially trading, you know, um, the fight is in here and in here first. And if you can conquer that, you can do anything. But that's where it is. So I am super conscious about what I eat. I don't drink. I don't stay up late. I go to bed similar time every night. Wake up similar time every day. That's it. Mm. I eat the same thing for breakfast every day. I have one latte every day, and I drink water the rest of the day. I gotta have my latte though. I need that espresso, but I make it myself. I don't go buy any junk out there. It's full of sugar and whatever. Sundays are my chill days. Sundays I have a whatever kind of breakfast I want. I put a little bit of something nice in my latte, otherwise I drink it with nothing in it other than coffee and milk. My coffee I get from a local roaster. It's freshly roasted, organic beans. I know where they come from. I have a relationship with the owner. It's important to know what you're putting in your body, right? You are what you eat. All right. So as you can see here, my strategy requires a lot of patience, which at the start of this I was not good at all. Um, but I'm glad that I chose to stay with this strategy because patience is something that I aspire to have a lot of. So if you're not good at something, practice it until you're great at it. So this allows me to practice patience. So I'm good with it. If we break highs here, or eventually, I think I will move my stop loss to break even at this point. And hopefully we don't come past. Just move up a little bit here. So right now I'm risking half of what I started with. That's pretty good so far. Still green. Looking pretty good. Just had some data come out. Factory orders month over month, negative 0.4%. Forecast was negative 0.3%. Prior was 0.5%. You know, a little bit worse than what we were expecting, but it's not really affecting the market at all. Total vehicle sales, I did not get the number for that yet, but the forecast was 16.5 million. That's not really going to have any effect on the market either. It's not really anything else today that's going to really affect the market. So it's just really whatever the market wants to do. Oh, what's this? All the main trends of the world, of the world economy in one place. Okay, economic charts. It's a new feature in TradingView. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can click on a region anywhere in the world, and it'll give you their economic data. Global trends, employment, consumption, pretty much anything you need. That's pretty cool. Inflation rates of the top G20. Wow. Argentina is 166%. That's their inflation rate. What? It's insane. We are down at 2.7%. Turkey's 44.38%. Wow. Russia's up at 8.9%. That's crazy. Fastest growing GDPs in the G20. Okay, India, yeah. Yep, 5.4%. Then China, Russia, and then us. Interesting. What else we got? Global unemployment. South Africa, 32.1% unemployment. Wow. We're not even in the top 12. That's good. That's a good thing. What else? Leaders in industrial activity. We are last in the top 12 there, negative 0.9% in industrial. See, we need to figure that out. Let's bring back the industry. Start making stuff in our country again. Government debt. Hey, we're in the top 12. Japan, number 1, 255.2% debt to GDP ratio. We are at 122.3%. Key interest rates. Yeah, we're sitting at 4.5%. Argentina is 32% interest rate. 32%. Holy crap. Turkey's at 50%. Well, that's fun to look at. Wow. How do I put that on the chart? Can I put that up here? Community markets. Where do I go for that? No, that's not what I want. News flow. Oh, that's a better news flow than what I have over here. Sorry, I'm not really paying attention. Gotta keep yourself busy. Once you're in a trade, don't look at it. I don't know. Anyway. Let's go. Let's break these highs. Let's break these highs. Make it a risk-free trade for me. No, you don't want to? All right. I gotta have no attitude about it. Jeez. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. We broke 100,000 again. Look at that. 101, 120. Ethereum is creeping up to 4,000 again. We still looking bullish on the NASDAQ, so I'm okay. Hey, where are you going there? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Go the other way. Nice gap up in Nvidia today, huh? From over the weekend. Nice gap up. Looks like they're about to make new highs. Nvidia, that would be good. That'd be good for me. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Cool. All right, so how do I get that onto my charts? More details. Our 10 new pages. Yeah. Launch chart. No, it's just something you just do online. No, that's my chart. Go away. How do I put this? Overview. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. Nice. Nice. Let's keep it going. Come on now. What a gray day outside. It's gray. This chair that I'm in makes so much noise, and it is not comfortable at all. After being in it for about 30 minutes, Nope. And it's like crooked. The back is crooked. So I'm like, you know, I don't like it. I need a new chair. I need a new chair, guys. Give me suggestions. Chairs, low budget. I'm not profitable yet. Low budget, please. Let's go. Let's take these highs out here. That's what I'm looking for. Now I feel more comfortable moving my stop loss up to just about break even, honestly, because we came down, we tested here. I like that. There might have been some stop losses there that it just took out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to move my stop loss to just below that wick. So it's basically a risk-free at this point, risking 63 bucks here, right? Risking 63 bucks. I'm up 450 right now. We're still showing progress to the upside. So I'm going to hang tight and hang tight. Let's see where we go. It'd be nice if we can at least get a 1-to-1 here. So I can make back what I just lost this morning. If we keep going, that would be even better, obviously. Have you guys ever done, I'm someone who likes to tinker. And for Christmas, my wife's brother had gotten us this 3D wooden puzzle, I guess. It's not a puzzle. I don't know what to call it. It's one of those, laser cut things. You take all the pieces out, you put it together. It's a Quidditch court that's a pinball machine. And I haven't put something like that together in quite some time. And it was really nice to be able to focus on something else for a little while. It took me a couple days to put it together. Finished it over the weekend. And then we enjoyed playing a little bit of pinball, which was really cool. So now I was looking last night at some more of these things. And they have some really, really cool puzzles, I guess. They're called 3D wooden puzzles or whatever, but they have, I'm a huge pirate fan. Pirates in the sense of, our pirates, right? Love pirates. Pirates of the Caribbean is some of my top favorite movies. So they have a couple of those with some of those ships. Really cool. That excites me. I don't really care if it excites anybody else. It excites me. And they also have some cool clocks that you put together that work on counterweight, which is cool. Really old, old time kind of clocks. A little excited about it. It's pretty cool. Speaking of Harry Potter, it's amazing how there are a few things in this world that become so big and popular and last forever. It's been a while now that the Harry Potter books and movies, have been out, and anything Harry Potter is still, you sell out. It's crazy. It's always been very interesting to me how some things, can have that effect on so many people in the world. I'm a big Harry Potter fan. My wife is even bigger of a fan than I am. Okay, still making progress here. Still making progress. I like it. So, we're trending in the right direction here. I'm feeling pretty good with it. I'm going to hang out for a few more minutes with you guys because I don't want to do these lives and make them too long. hour and 15 minutes is probably going to be my max, unless like some shit's really going down, then I'll hang out. Um, I'm going to try to pop on live for big news events, FOMC meetings and things like that. Again, if you guys are watching for the first time, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. I forgot again at the beginning of this to let you all know about the links I have in the description. It's just the platforms that I use, who I'm using for this funded challenge account that I'm in right now. All those links are in the description down below. So help a brother out. Subscribe to the channel. Comment. Let me know how terrible I am. Just kidding. I mean, you can if you want. It doesn't bother me. But, let's discuss. I like it. We're still moving. Cool. It's not a huge move today. I'm okay with taking a 1-to-1, gaining back what I lost. I'm going to stick in this. I'm going to stick with my strategy here and just move my stop loss up with the super trend until it takes me out. And that's it. So I think that's going to be it for me today, guys and gals and whoever. Thank you for all that racket. I'll be upgrading my stuff eventually. I know you guys can hear all that in the background. There's nothing I can do about it right now. It is what it is. Yeah. So, hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. And we'll see you tomorrow. Stay green, everyone.